what are the downsides to the market when it comes to these companies staying private? Well, there is a ongoing concentration of investment capital in a handful of these wildly valuable private companies. In simplest term, you have investors putting a lot of money into only a couple of companies, and then that investment is going to stay illiquid, meaning they can't get their money back for a real period of time because they aren't public. If I bought 1,000 shares of Apple today, 3 hours later, I could sell those same 1,000 shares of Apple to buy something else, or to hopefully make a profit, or to reallocate that capital somewhere else. Just take it off the table, whatever I wanted to do, but the market allows you to buy and sell easily. So those investments are far more liquid than these private investments, which are highly illiquid. And that illiquidity limits new investment or additional investment in other startups, in other emerging companies. It doesn't allow the recycling of capital and capital gains back into the market from investors who have been able to make money and then sell their stake and then take some of that capital that they've gained and then put it back into a new startup or to a different investment, even a public investment. And ultimately, this eliminates retail and small investors from participating in these high growth periods for an OpenAI, for a SpaceX, for an XAI. You just don't have access to it. You can't buy in. You're too small. You're not an LP in one of these mega funds. You're not a high net worth individual that's playing in these hedge funds or participating in these hedge funds.